Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the agricultural world, the 2025 Massey Ferguson tractor. This new model is turning heads and raising expectations, so let's explore what makes it stand out. First off, the 2025 Massey Ferguson tractor is designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farmers. With a robust 50 horsepower engine, it's perfect for a range of applications, from small to mid-sized farms. It offers a great balance between power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for various tasks, including plowing, tilling, and hauling. One of the standout features of this model is its advanced transmission system. The 2025 comes with a smooth, synchronized shuttle transmission that ensures seamless gear shifting. This allows for better control and efficiency when working in the field, especially in challenging conditions. Comfort is another area where the 2025 shines. The tractor features an upgraded cab with improved ergonomics. The new design includes a more spacious and comfortable operator seat, enhanced visibility, and better climate control. All of these contribute to reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. The 2025 also boasts an impressive hydraulic system. With a higher lifting capacity and improved flow rate, it can handle a variety of implements with ease. Whether you're using a loader, a backhoe, or other attachments, this tractor's hydraulic capabilities are sure to enhance productivity. Safety has not been overlooked in the design of the 2025. It comes equipped with modern safety features, including a rollover protective structure ROPS and improved lighting systems. These features ensure that you can work safely and confidently, even in low light conditions. In terms of maintenance, the 2025 Massey Ferguson is designed for ease of service. The tractor's layout allows for quick access to key components, reducing downtime and simplifying routine maintenance tasks. Lastly, Massey Ferguson's commitment to sustainability is evident in the 2025. The tractor is designed to be more fuel efficient, reducing its environmental footprint and helping you save on operating costs. In summary, the 2025 Massey Ferguson tractor combines power, comfort, and advanced features to meet the demands of today's farmers. Its innovative design and focus on efficiency make it a valuable addition to any farm. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in agricultural equipment. See you next time.